Want to check whether your PDF meets accessibility standards? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Accessibility Checker in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and open the PDF document you want to check. Go to the Tools menu and select Prepare for Accessibility. Next, click Check for Accessibility. If desired, enable Create Accessibility Report and choose where to save the report. You can also select Attach Report to Document to keep the report linked to the PDF. Choose whether to check all pages or a specific page range. Review the available accessibility categories and leave the required checks selected. Click Start Checking to begin the scan. Adobe Acrobat will analyze the document and display the results in the Accessibility Checker panel. Review any issues found and make the recommended corrections to improve accessibility. And that's it. You've successfully used the Accessibility Checker in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.